こんにちは、ゆう先生です。適当な is one of the most confusing words in Japanese because of the following two opposite meanings. 1. Proper. 2. Not the most proper because it is only at the survival level. In this video, you will learn how to use 適当な as well as how to avoid confusion. では、始めましょう。1. 適当な服を着てください。Please wear suitable clothes. 服 means clothes, so 適当な服 means suitable clothes. And 着てください is please wear. That is why this sentence as a whole means please wear suitable clothes. Dress codes are important. You don't want to dress like a clown in a funeral, unless there is coffin dance being played. Under some contexts, this sentence could carry an opposite meaning. Please wear whatever clothes that will do. For example, you are in a rush and the most proper clothes is still in the washing machine, so you have to go with the second best. The clothes you have chosen might not be the best desirable one, but at least it will satisfy the minimum dress code. You will survive. Another example. 適当な計画を作らないでください。Please don't make a plan that is at a survival level. It implies please make a high quality one instead of a temporary solution. The key word here is again not the best desirable one. Most likely, much thought, time, and energy has been put into the creation of the best desirable one, whereas much less of them is usually put into a temporary solution. Hence, in Japanese sense, not proper means poor quality, not showing much trade of thinking. Technically speaking, this sentence, 適当な計画を作らないでください might mean please don't make a proper plan, but this does not make much sense. Instead, saying 適当な計画を作ってください Please make a proper one will make much more sense. At this point, some listeners might be confused about the dubious usages of this word. Well, you are not alone. It's also difficult to tell the difference for many Japanese people. So they have come up with a temporary solution, 適当な解決策 to avoid the confusion. If you want to say proper, you can use a similar word, 適切な And the good news is that 適切な doesn't carry two meanings. And if you want to use 適当な in the other meaning, not proper or poor quality, you can choose to write it in katakana, 適当な Much easier now. What do you think? Do you think it is a 適切な解決策 or 適当な解決策
That's all class finish.